Hello everybody and welcome back to Code Explainers. And in this video, I will teach you how to make applications of Android phone from scratch in Python. In first video of Python, uh, let me show that. Okay, in this video, I have teached you that we can make application from Python. So in this video, I will teach you how to make that applications. First, I'll make a folder. Applications from Python tutorials. Okay, and I will open my PyCharm ID in this. Just open. Open with PyCharm, or here's the option is not coming of open with PyCharm, so just I will create a new folder. Create or no, don't want it. Sorry. Uh, okay, I will close the PyCharm. Exit. So first we have to create a text document, but it will not the text document. It will be the main.py. Change it yes, and I will open it with PyCharm IDE. Okay, let it open. But first, I will teach you. Okay, it has been opened. It's indexing. So just I will minimize that and uh, let it index. Now I will teach you. Means I will just tell you how you can build apps with Python. So just there is a library named Kiwi. From this, you can make any application in Python, just like basic Python. You can make application for uh, general for Android, Linux, Windows, and Mac OS also. In Java and Kotlin, in Java, Kotlin, and Android Studio, by using these three apps, means two languages and one app, you can just uh, apply means publish it for Android. But in this Kiwi library, you can publish it anywhere from these four systems. Okay, so this is the documentation of Kiwi, and I will start you teaching. What the hell? Okay, now to start it, just I will write here. No, how to import the library like this. But there's a twist. First, you have to install it, which everyone knows, but I am telling you. Okay, so installing code is pip install Kiwi. Just it's installing now. I have already installed it, so just I have installed. Okay, so if you goes to settings, there are two ways to install in PyCharm. First from terminal and second from this settings. Python main.py interpreter structure. Just going into interpreter and plus and just write KV. 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 Okay, I think so. I have this much library, so it can't suggest me since because I have Kiwi already, so uh, it can uh, it can I can search or it's my fault, but you can upgrade it from here. So you can this Kiwi, and I will upgrade it from here. So this is upgrading and let it upgrade. Okay. So if you have installed the Kiwi library, so first code of Kiwi is import Kiwi. So first test that Kiwi is installed properly. Run. So just okay. I'll just run. If you can see this all, means Kiwi is installed. One second. Okay, now to make your first application in Kiwi, you have you have to learn the logic of class. Means classes in Python, it's very easy. So first from kiwi.app import app. What does this app function does is this app function does makes a GUI in the class and buttons on the side. Means you can minimize it or think uh, it makes an app application or a canvas on which we can do many other things. Uh, the best example of it is this PyCharm. First, it would be any other thing, but when we have added in widgets, so okay, you can see and just differentiate it. My app. For now, I have given this name as my app and just inherit here app. Def function and it builds return super. My app dot run. So this code you can see here. It's a starter code which creates a screen or a window from which in which we can add widgets, screen manager, and many other things. But what does this build function do? In the build function, we add some widget as written here. Def build equals to widget. Initialize the application, it will be called only once. The method this if this method returns a widget tree or tree, widget is called here tree. It will used as a root means main window. It in build function we define uh, in when we define a widget in build function, the will that widget will be initialized or known as a root. Means it's the main window. It will tell it's the main window. Means this part is main part where you run your app. And widgets is shown by this build function. So why we have written here super.build? If we return nothing, so it will don't show nothing. But we are there is nothing in build function, so just we are returning super.build. Means it is saying it there's nothing in this function. Okay, when we use that, you can see here it has created a window like this. Okay, so you have seen that window. That window is created by this app, and app goes to here. So now, how to in every app you can see there's some label or just like this written information. So how to make a label or give it written information? So just tv.uix.label. Import label. Once again, label. Okay, so what's the label function? If you have used Kinto or TK Inter, So in that there's a label which kindly prints something or writes something on the screen. So here, if we have written label, means we have returning label from the build function like this, label dot no label uh, or just I will create a function. I will create a variable that will tell label what is label. Text equals to what we can do is hello world. Okay, so we have and just return a as this function have as is function or class. Uh, Label is a class and the class has gone to a. Now it is it will return from the build function and it will print hello world. So you can see here we have printed hello world and many other things. But how to convert it into application or APK? So um, if we have to convert it into application or APK, I'm just telling you about this, but we will discuss it in deep in next further future videos. But just I am telling the concept or what you think. What you think? Okay. First, first this code. You can see this code. First, this code have to converted in being converted into KVMD. Means there's a library named KVMD. It's similar to this Kiwi app, but in KVMD we can in KVMD we can convert it into many other things like uh, like Windows exe, Linux. In Linux, I don't know, but Windows exe, Android's APK. Uh, Further advanced means further in future videos. I will teach you that things. But now I have to tell you something that besides writing this label, you can do one more thing. Kiwi.lang import builder. So what the builder does is uh, just 1 second. Apply app one. So here too I will define it app1. Okay, so just I have changed the name. So what does builder do? What does builder do? Just import builder dot load file, and if I have here a new file named logic.kv file. So you have been thinking what's kv file? It's a file it's a file of kv from which we write the code. Like first I have to do this. So this file has been inherited here, and we can write the code from here, of this from here. App1. In this app1, okay, but one thing that it is returning nothing. So return super dot else super dot build, and then I can write the code that just write a text 1 second. I think so. And here text hello. Uh, if it will throw some error, we will solve it. Okay, I think we have to define it as C or any other variable, and do here. Why it's not running a code? Okay, so I will teach you this in another video, the KV file and the concept of builder and another other things. So I think so this is okay for today. I will afterward teach you how to make buttons, what is grid layout, and more things. So if you are watching till the end, so please subscribe, and share this video for the future videos, and comment down the questions which you have. I'll answer it very well. Okay, so thank you to watching till this video till the end, and bye bye.